Welcome back. For the second year running, the India Today Group awarded COVID frontline workers in an awards ceremony attended by Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia. 18 categories were awarded for the exemplary work done during the devastating COVID wave that engulfed the country.
In its 7th edition, the India Today Safai Giri Awards for the second year converted into the Health Giri Summit and Awards.
It is an honor and privilege to have hosted these awards since 2014, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi nominated the India Today Group and me as Swachh Bharat ambassadors.
Arun Puri, India Today Group chairperson and editor-in-chief, spelled out the importance of the Health Giri Awards this year.
So far, India has recorded more than 33 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 and 4,48,605 deaths. We ranked second to America in the number of cases in a country and third in the total number of deaths. We saw a devastating second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic between April and May this year, recording over 400,000 cases a day. Half of all of India's COVID-19 deaths occurred in those 2 months alone. And I'm sure every one of us present here was touched by this health emergency in some way or the other. Our fragile healthcare system was rapidly overwhelmed by the unprecedented waves of the infected patients. There were not adequate ambulances to transport the sick to hospitals. Oxygen and hospital beds were in short supply. And there was a shortage of medical staff to tend to patients. Crematoriums were inundated, and in many cases where entire families tested positive, nobody was there to perform the last rites of the dead. It was a war, and it needed an exceptional group of warriors to fight it. Across the country, thousands of remarkable men and women and organizations, both in public and in the government, were our corona warriors who helped their fellow citizens. They offered healthcare and services, ran ambulances, delivered medical oxygen to the needy, operated child support programs, performed the last rites of the deceased, and supported the state in coping with the crisis. I believe that the winners today and those who participated in the Health Giri Awards are the true heroes and the real champions of New India. It is our privilege to recognize their outstanding work.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted his congratulations to the winners and lauded the India Today Group for honouring grassroots level change makers. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia was in attendance in the event and boosted the morale of all winners.
A Health Giri Award इस लोगों को देना है और इस दिन इस कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया है जो महात्मा गांधी जी का ये जन्म जयंती है। महात्मा गांधी जी के जन्मदिन के साथ जोड़ के इस अवार्ड को देना ये आप में आप ये अवार्ड का महत्व बढ़ जाता है।
This year, 23 winners in 18 categories were awarded for their selfless service during the COVID pandemic.
ये कैटेगरी है बेस्ट गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल कॉम्बैटिंग कोविड-19 और इसके विजेता हैं लोक नायक अस्पताल दिल्ली। स्टेज पर आमंत्रित करना चाहती हूं डॉक्टर सुरेश कुमार, मेडिकल डायरेक्टर।
Some of the winners were Delhi's Lok Nayak Hospital, which won the award for best government hospital in combating COVID-19.
13 डॉक्टरों को LNJP ने गंवाया था इस दौरान।
While Mumbai's Topiwala National Medical College and BYL Charitable Hospital won the award for Best Charitable Hospital.
मुंबई जो कि सबसे अधिक पीड़ित जगहों में से एक रहा था, वहां पर सबसे कम डेथ रेट इस अस्पताल में देखा गया है।
Defence Research and Development Organization stood out as the best innovator for COVID-related activity in pandemic times.
डिफेंस के लिए चीजों को विकसित करना, लेकिन डिफेंस के लिए जो तमाम चीजें रहती हैं उसे जान बचाने के लिए कैसे विकसित किया जाता है।
Mumbai's The Cyrus and Priya Vandriwala Foundation won the Best Mental Health Counselling Award for ensuring the mental well-being of many in times of gloom.
बात कर सकता था क्योंकि रोग के उपचार में सब लगे थे, लेकिन मानसिक स्वास्थ्य कैसे बना रहे इसकी कोशिशें भी जारी थी.
And I'm certain with the focus, with technology, with investment, with awareness, and with affection and love, we can do so much for mental health, just like we've done for COVID.
Government of Karnataka.
The southern state of Karnataka won the Best State Award for effectively dealing with the virus.
If I have to dedicate this award, I need to dedicate to my health workers in Karnataka, doctors, nurses, paramedic staff.
Actor couple Akshay Kumar and Twinkle Khanna were awarded for their exemplary work as celebrities.
जिस तरह से वो बढ़ चढ़कर मदद करते रहे सबकी, उस वजह से इन्हें सम्मानित किया गया है.
While Wipro stood out as the best far-reaching corporate contributor for a wider social impact.
सम्मान ले रहे हैं यहाँ पर. बहुत बधाई आपको.
During times of acute oxygen crisis, the Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee and Save Life Foundation did an exceptional job of delivering oxygen to many. These two won the Best Oxygen Delivery Initiative Award. Gujarat and Kerala jointly won the award for running the best vaccination drive during the pandemic. And Bharat Biotech and Serum Institute of India were awarded for their outstanding contribution to the development and production of COVID vaccines.
I received this award only one reason, on the behalf of all the scientists of this country and also on the behalf of the startups of this country.
The India Today Group salutes all COVID frontline warriors for their selfless service and congratulates all winners this year.
And that's a wrap on this bulletin. For all the latest news and updates, you can log on to indiatoday.in. You can also download the India Today app. Thank you for watching.